everyone, I'm Saneshni, and in today's video I'm going to be creating this gorgeous spring makeup tutorial using Mr. Price and Scarlet Hill makeup products. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be going in with the Scarlet Hill Take a Brow Kit. Now, I love the fact that this brow comes with like a brush to like brush up your eyebrows, a tweezer, brow gel, and a brow pencil, and it only retails for $129.99. That is a steal. I'm gonna go in and just lightly fill my brows with this pencil. I love the consistency of this brow pencil. It kind of just glides on, but it's not too waxy. And just taking the spoolie in this kit and brushing through my eyebrows so the product blends nicely. Next, it is time to hop onto the eyes, and I'm going to be using the All Glammed Up 16 shade eyeshadow palette. For brushes today, I'm going to be using the Major Brush Crush brush collection, and I'm going to use the medium shading brush. Picking up this deep orange shade right here, and I'm gonna pack this on the outer corner of my eye and take that into my crease, and then also taking it on my lower lash line. You want to keep this as close to the lash line as possible. Don't blend too high up. Okay, then taking the crease brush and going into this lighter orange shade right here, and I'm just going to use this as a transition shade to blend out this darker orange. Creates a nice gradient as well, as you guys can see from this eye to this eye. You just really want to blend along the edges, not forgetting the lower lash. Going back into that darker orange shade just to make sure that we didn't lose any color along the blending. Next, taking the angled shadow brush and this champagne shade right here. I'm going to apply this to the first 2/3 of my eyelid. I love how these shadows are decently pigmented and you can build up the look depending on your preference. Next, it is time for eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the Liquid Slick Eyeliner Duo. I'm going to use the thin side for a nice wing liner. For a wing, you want to start by lining the lash line, and then you're going to draw a wing from the outer corner of your eye to the tail of your brow, and then connecting the two lines. And I love how this eyeliner just glides across the eye. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Fuller Lashes Thickening Mascara. And just applying this to my top and bottom lashes. If you ever wondered what can you still get these days for 50 bucks? A Scarlet Hill mascara. Now for lashes, I'm going to be using the Like 'em Loud lashes. This is the Baddie Full On Volume and Length lash. I mean, look at how it just elevates the look. So when applying glue to your lash band, you want to apply a thin layer all the way through the lash band, and then make sure you have a little bit of extra on the ends because this is typically where your eyelash tends to lift. Then we're gonna wait for the glue to dry for a few seconds. If you just go straight in and try to put your lashes on, it's gonna move and slip and slide all over the place and it becomes a mess. So we're going to be a little patient. I'm gonna dry it a bit. And then we're going to apply. You wanna secure the outer corner first, and then you're going to apply the lash, and then also make sure to squeeze your natural lashes with the false ones so that they blend together. Okay, so that is the lashes on. We're gonna go back onto the face now, and we're going to apply some blush. I'm going back into my Glam-yet Eye and Face palette and taking my plush powder brush with this gorgeous blush shade. And I'm just gonna add this onto my cheeks. Not forgetting to set these brows into place with our brow gel from our brow kit. Now you can totally stop here, but I'm a little extra, so I'm gonna go in with the DIY Mani Nail Art Kit from Scarlet Hill, and I'm gonna be using some of these rhinestones. I think I'm gonna go in with some silver rhinestones. I'm gonna be taking my eyelash glue, and I'm gonna be making a dot on my inner corners, because that's where I want my rhinestones to go, and I think I'm gonna do one under my eye as well. Again, you just need to leave the glue to dry for a few seconds before you attempt to stick on the rhinestones. Using my rhinestone tweezers that come in this kit, and slowly placing them down. Now to finish off this look and make sure it lasts all day, I'm gonna be going in with the Scarlet Hill setting spray. This retails for $59.99. That's a steal also. Whew, and it's so refreshing and smells so good. Okay everyone, so that is it for this spring makeup look using Mr. Price and Scarlet Hill. Hop over to mrprice.com to shop Scarlet Hill products. I am super impressed with how these products have performed. Super pigmented and super beautiful. Also, did I mention how this 16 shade eye palette is just like $99.99? That is insane. The quality of these products are so good, and I would highly recommend for those of you who are on a budget and want good quality makeup that is beautiful and creates a flawless face. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.